This store is located here in the Leiria area in Portugal. If you need assistance for several parts that your car may need in the pinch, this store has a little bit of everything. So as you can see, we have the funnels, we have the canisters for fuel, you have fuel lines, you have you have washers for the drain plugs, you have epoxy, you have the electrical part over here for DT, all road, for example. You have here some gauges for fuel, for temperature, for turbo, for vacuum. You also have here the electrical part of the thing, terminals and plugs and connectors for the battery, for example, connectors for safety switches for the battery as well, some fuses over here. If you want to buy or do your own cables for jump starting your car, you have here some excellent cables. Look at this. This is monstrous. Very good. And you have here the clips for it. Okay, so indeed it is a store with a lot of solutions. We also have here some intakes, some cold air intakes here for several cars. Okay, and also you can order some special ones like this one, for example. It is to put in the box on the original place of the original filter. We have some car care products as well. So you have your oils and your lubricants. You have more oils over here for your diesel engine, for the gasoline, for the gearboxes, power steering and whatnot. Also you have here products from Turtle Wax for everything you need to treat the inside and outside of the car, and some products a little bit cheaper to do the same thing. Okay. But the main thing today here is license plates. How are they made? We have these acrylic ones over here, and we have these aluminium ones. They are made in totally different ways. The sound that you are hearing is the one that prints out the numbers for the aluminium ones. Is heating up and is almost ready to go. Okay, so this machine here presses the numbers onto the sheet of metal over here. Okay, and then this one prints out the numbers on the raised parts of the license plate. Okay, this is for the aluminium one, the metallic one. For the acrylic ones that we have in Portugal, you print out the numbers on this sheet of reflective material, and then you press together on this material over here. This is translucent, and you press it on this machine. So let's see how it's done. So for example, here on the metallic ones, we have a blank sheet of metal over here, and to do the raised letters, we have here the letters, for example the W, and it has a positive and negative position to it. So as you are pressing this, as you are fitting this letter onto the sheet metal like this, and then pressing like so onto this press over here, it raises up the letter in question, and now everything that is raised up over here, the letters and this rim over here, all around, including here the small letters, will be painted by this film that is heating up right now. Okay, we have here the license plate ready to print. Okay, so the machine is ready and hot. We feed the license plate onto the machine. The machine has that big wheel that presses the license plate together with the film, and the film will press on the raised parts of the license plate, the numbers, the rim, and everything that is raised up. And in this way, okay, raise up the wheel, take out the film, and in this way the license plate is ready. So as you can see, the rim is all printed out, it is dry already, okay, the letters and numbers, and this one is done. And the new film already is on this side, ready to go be heated on the wheel presses onto the license plate. So the film that is not used goes to the recycling, I believe, and nothing can be done with it. So here on the printed ones, like so, we didn't need to have a computer, or if the printer itself has the keyboard, you can print in the numbers, okay, so the printer knows what to print, obviously. Okay. So we do this to take out the electrical charge of the acrylic. It's very sticky. Sometimes with the printing not being so completely perfect, we have to take out the holes. Look at number 9, for example, and paint.
Static.
Yeah, it's very common to happen. So just finish the numbers with the Sharpie over there. Now it's pressed together, and the other side just to make sure everything is nice. And sometimes you can hear the bubbles come out, and obviously you can see if there are any bubbles on the surface, and it is indeed perfect. This blue color is not normal, okay. You should remove here this film. It is mandatory to remove the film, because if it is this blue color, the police will tell you to stop and pay a fine, okay. So you have to take out this. Let me know on the comments below how it works on your country, okay? Also, down on the description, there is a lot of things that can and will be useful for you. About tires, about brakes, suspension, about electrical systems, starting of multi-jet engines, lack of power, for example. A lot of stuff that can and will be useful for you, I'm sure of that. Also, down on the description there are 2 links for helps for the channel. As you know now, I am going through with this new adventure of full-time YouTube, and it's a bit scary, okay, very scary, and a little bit of your help every month, about €1.5, will do all of the difference, okay. I see you next time, guys. Bye.